Seems to be on fire this winter fall. They've just announced two new products, and one of them is the new Marantz Model 50 Integrated Amplifier. This is an incredible unit. It's actually going to ditch a DAC. It's going to even ditch streaming capability just to give you pure audiophile level integrated amplification that you would need. It's very expensive. It's $1,800. This is this is an amount that most people just don't easily afford, but it has everything you need, more so than most other brands right now. So let's look at what you get. Now you can pair this up with the company's new CD 50N. I've announced that in a separate video. You can pair both of them up, but know that in each of them costs $1,800. So are you ready to pay $3,600 to buy both of them? It's gonna be your choice at the end of the day. But then again, they designed this to pair very much with that model, because that's what they did. Now this is going to come with analog only circuitry. So the distinguishing feature of the Model 50 is that there is no digital audio circuitry. There is no DAC from the input to the output. This just reduces the audible interference. It has only 70 watts per channel. 70 watts per channel is the only thing you're going to get inside here. You also will have a Class AB amplification design with this new Model 50. It is going to have a full suite of analog connections for sources, as well as preamp outputs for both a subwoofer as well as connection to an additional external amplification. You also have phono stage. It comes with that. You will have a very good build quality. That's the craftsmanship of the amplifier itself is fantastic. The Model 50 builds on the robust design that you can expect from Marantz AVR product. If you've bought their AV processor product, you know that the company does a lot in terms of the build structure of their amplifiers, as well as their processors and AV receivers. So now the other thing you will look at is the fact that it can still give more power out to forum load speakers. It can give out around 100 watts into forums, but it can only do 70 watts into 8 ohms. So these are things that you need to know. It comes with a very large toroidal transformer as well. It has a heat sink. Aluminum extrusion heat sink. That's what it gets. You have 6 pairs of phono connections. You also have your RCA connection. You have a subwoofer connection as well at the back. It offers you a lot of connections that will allow you to use this with any CD player, or even any DAC amp solution that you have out there. So it's all just it's all your choice as to what you want to have in your setup. So this is a very good unit. I like what I see already. I think a lot of people will have to look at it and check out and see if it's something they want in their collection, because I'll drop the details for you guys down below. Do subscribe to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.